Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing session of 2025, and in this session I'm gonna tell you how you can get your own Cash App in just 5 seconds. So let me start and let me tell you how you can get it. Basically, I got a lot of accounts which are verified by SSN and also BTC enabled the Cash App account. I got a lot of accounts with all sort of limits like 4k BTC enabled, 6k BTC enabled and the 10k BTC enabled. If you are willing to buy an account with 25k limit, then that is also available. On your screen you are now able to see that I am just looking at a account that I have been in my phone. So just look at the transactions. It's an old account and you can check. Just look at the transaction history of this account. This is a big account and you can see that I have a lot of transactions in it. If you are willing to buy an account for casino games and like that stuff, then you can also contact me on my Instagram or WhatsApp. So just look at the transactions and let me know in my comment section if you are willing to buy this account, and if you wanna buy this and if you are interested, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or Instagram. This is my second account. Let me show you the transactions of this account and then I will show you the details of this account. Okay, just look at the transactions. Now let me tell you about the prices of these sort of accounts. If you are willing to buy 4k BTC enabled, 4k limits and BTC enable account, then you will be charged $30 with 7 days of guarantee. You can just replace your account if it's banned or any kind of stuff. You will be given all sort of documents with it. So just contact me if you are interested and do let me know.